Hello everyone! Today we're going to cook a very easy pasta with tomato sauce and just few ingredients guys. We have a pasta, we have about 1 onion medium white, just chop it, 3 tomatoes medium size, and then we have some meat. I cut it guys, and then luncheon meat. We will need to cook the sauce first guys. Actually, I boiled the pasta already. So now we are cooking the sauce. Look guys how I cook it. This is the onion. I'll chop 1 onion. Oh, it's very aromatic guys. I can smell it. I can imagine how yummy this pasta. This is a very simple guys for our lunch. There I put the meat. This meat is got a bit fatty, so it will be so nice guys. Just need to mix it until it's cooked. There we add the tomato guys. We need to wait until melted. I will add also some ketchup here because it's not enough. I will write it down in the into the description what you need guys. A very simple menu for this. Very simple dish, I mean. Blah blah blah. Pasensya na natatamiming mag-English para maintindihan ng mga kasamahan natin na iba. Taga-ibang planeta ba? Ayan guys, almost done. Naglagay pala ako ng konting gatas dito para maging creamy siya. Nakita nyo kanina, naglagay ako ng konting evap to make it creamy. That's my secret. Ready na siya. Guys, it's ready. We need to mix our pasta, spaghetti noodles, para siya maging malasa. The reason why I'm mixing, guys, is the taste will go into the pasta noodles. Actually, my lady boss normally just put on top of the noodles, but the sauce is maybe sometimes not enough, so the noodles will have no taste. So I will mix it, guys. Mix it until everything is covered by the sauce, and then we'll serve hot. Ooh, yummy, guys. Yummy, yummy. Yeah, yummy, yummy. Just prepare your plate, guys. Then we will eat. I'm gonna take this moment, guys, while cooking. Thank you for your support every time. You're always there, guys. Every time I have premiere, replay, or you're just there live to watch my videos. Always pachamba, pero okay lang, 'di ba? Suportahan lang tayo, walang iwanan. Salamat, guys. Thank you sa inyong lahat, sa aking kapamilya YouTube, sa aking Dreamers Connect. Ang number 1 na nagsusupport, si Rich Do It Vlog ng Canada. Mabait yan, guys. I-subscribe nyo. Nagbibigay yan ng WH. Kailani the Explorer, Karina Jusa, Kina Chinitong Pinoy, Tirihel. Yan, mababait yung mga yan, guys. Kaila Serbiel Santos. Kaya nang bahala, guys. Mababait yung mga yan. Lagi niyang mga nakasuporta always. Ayan, guys, almost done na. Sarap-sarap. Lagyan na lang ng paminta, guys, kung gusto niyo ng medyo maanghang. Lagyan niyo na lang ng paminta according sa inyong panlasa. Sarap. Di rin kami naglalagay ng cheese dito kasi syempre nakakataba daw. So, up to you guys. If you want to add cheese, you can add. But us here, we don't need to add it. Just eat like that, guys. Thank you. See you next time, guys. I love you all.